Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Today I'm gonna share one of my most favorite evening snacks, Charmuri, Chatpati Bhel. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add some finely chopped onions, tomatoes, grated carrot and grated beetroot, some finely chopped coriander leaves, some salt and chili powder, coconut oil to add that authentic Charmuri flavor into your recipe. Also add lime juice into a clean bowl and mix well. In case you can't wait and in case you do not have puffed rice around, you can eat this mixture right away. Now add puffed rice and mix again. This dish must be eaten as soon as it's done, or else the crispy puffed rice will soak in all the moisture from all the other ingredients and it won't taste as good as when it's freshly made. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.